In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play Garry's Mod on iPad and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if we can play Garry's Mod on our iPads, we can access the official Apple website at www.apple.com or open up the App Store and use the search function to look for Garry's Mod. Like I said, you can also try doing this on the App Store on your iPad. If you look for Garry's Mod, you will notice that from all the apps, none of them will be Garry's Mod. You have some related apps that appear, and you can browse through them if you wish, but none of them are the official Garry's Mod game. Even if you go to the official Steam page, you will notice that the game is only available for Windows, Mac computers, and Steam OS. So as of today, is there any way or any workaround that we can do to play Garry's Mod on our iPads? Sadly, as it stands, Garry's Mod is not available for any iOS devices besides Mac computers, and you will not be able to play on your iPhone or iPad until there is an update released to the game or any news regarding ports. It is impossible to play Garry's Mod on your iPad. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware of the platforms that Garry's Mod is available on. If this video cleared up any crashes you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.